Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Before we're going to start our discussion, can you stand up first for a prayer? In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Before you take your seats, can you pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs and arrange your seats accordingly? All done?
Yes, teacher.
All right, we now take your seats. Once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
Very good.
All right, it's good to hear that you are doing fine. Now, class, who are absent this morning?
None, teacher.
Because of that, can we give ourselves a round of applause? Now, class, before we're going to proceed with our new topic this morning, let's have a short review first of what we did last meeting. So I have prepared an activity entitled Name Me. All I want you to do, class, is to name the fractions for the shaded regions. The students who answer will be randomly selected by the spinning wheel. If you will give me a correct answer, then you will be given a corresponding reward. Do you understand, class?
Yes, teacher.
All right, so let us start spinning the wheel. Tell me to stop.
Stop.
We have Christine, go. Can you name the fraction for the shaded region? 1/4. 1/4. Let's see if Christine's answer is correct. Very good, Christine. And here is your star. Another one. Let us spin the wheel. Stop.
Christian.
Christine Ibanez. Can you name the fraction for the shaded region?
3/4.
Let's see if your answer is correct. Very good, Christine. Another one. We have stop. Jennifer. Can you name the fraction for the shaded region?
2/4.
Let's see if your answer is correct. Very good, Jennifer. Here's your star. Another one. We have stop. Teacher. Okay. Stop. Jane Rose. Can you name the fraction for the shaded region? 1/2. Let's see if your answer is correct. Very good, Jane Rose. Another one. We have another teacher. Floor. Hermoso. Can you name the fraction for the shaded region?
4/6.
Let's see if your answer is correct. Very good, Floor. Another one. This is the last one. Novi. Can you name the fraction for the shaded region?
5/6.
Let's see if your answer is correct. Very good, Novi. Good job, everyone. It seems that we have truly understand our topic last meeting. So for that, let us give ourselves a Denisha clap. And it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. Go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, very good, very good. All right, good job. Now let's play a game. Who wants to play a game?
Me.
All right, our game is entitled Fraction Bingo. How many of you already know how to play bingo? All right, good. Can you all listen as I will read the mechanics? The students will be divided into 4 groups, and each group will receive a fraction bingo card. The teacher will randomly select fractions from the bingo color sheet to call out. If the fraction matches any fraction on the card, the students will mark it. Again, class, I will be going to divide you into 4 groups. This one, the row 1 will be the group 1, the row 2 will be the group 2, the row 3, group 3, then row 4 will be the group 4. Then I will be going to give you this bingo cards. And I will randomly select problem class. We have here 8 eighths, 2 eighths, and 1 eighth. What have you observed?
The same denominator.
Alright, we have the same denominator. What's their common denominator?
8.
Good. And what operation did you use to solve the problem number 1? What operation did you use?
Addition.
How about for number 2?
Subtraction.
Very good. So for that, our topic this morning is all about addition and subtraction of similar fractions to proper fractions. Now class, you have observed that the fractions on the bingo card and the fractions on the previous problems have the same denominator. Am I right?
Yes, teacher.
Fractions that have the same denominators are what we call similar fractions. Again, fractions that have the same denominators are similar fractions. So here are some examples of similar fractions. We have here 2/5 and 3/5. What are the common denominator?
5.
Good, it's 5. Another one. 7 9 and 5 9. What is the common denominator?
9.
Very good. So that is a similar fractions. Now moving on. How to add similar fractions? In adding similar fractions, can we all read?
To add similar fractions, simply add the numerators and copy the denominator. Reduce the answer in the lowest term if possible.
Again, in adding similar fractions, we will just add the numerators and what will happen to the denominator? Copy the denominator. Very good. So let us try to answer the given problem right here. If Andrew gave 2 eighths of pizza to Alex and another 1 eighth to Andy, how much pizza did Andrew give all in all? So we have here 2 eighths plus 1/8. In adding similar fractions, we will add the numerators, right?
Yes.
So 2 plus 1/8. 2 plus 1/8. What is the answer?
3/8.
3/8. So this is the correct answer. Not this one because she adds the numerator as well as that denominator, which is wrong. In adding similar fractions, we will add the numerators and then copy the denominators. Very good. Another one we have. Can you all read?
Linda walked 4 ninths of a mile to reach the library, and another 3 ninths of a mile to reach the park. How many miles did she walk altogether?
So we have here 4/9 plus 3/9. So we will add the numerators. 4 plus 3/9. What is the answer?
7/9.
Very good. 7/9. Now, class, do you understand how to add similar fractions?
Yes, teacher.
Moving on, let us try to know how to subtract similar fractions. Now, can you all read?
To subtract with similar fractions, simply subtract the numerators and copy the denominator. Reduce the answer in the lowest term if possible.
Again, in subtracting similar fractions, we will just subtract the numerators and then copy the denominator. So let us try to answer the given problem earlier. So if we subtract the price of pizza that Andrew gave to Alex and Andy, how much is left for Andrew? So all in all, Andrew has 8/8 slices of pizza. Then we will subtract 3/8, the total slices of pizza that he gave to his sons. So we will subtract 8 minus 3/8. What is the answer?
5/8.
5/8. So this one is the correct answer. Not this one because he subtracted the numerator but added the denominator, which is wrong. So I have here another problem. Can we all read?
A water tank was 7/8 full of water. After a day of use, it
shell. Here's your star shell. For number 4, we have 1/5 plus 3/5. And the numerators, 1 plus 3 over 5. The answer is 4/5. Here's your star, Maria. And lastly, we have Christine's answer. 3/8 plus 4/8. The answer is 7/8. Very good, Christine. Here's your star. Let me give it to you. Alright, good job everyone. It seems that you have truly understand our topic. So for that, let us give ourselves a Tanisha clap. Very good, very good, very good. Alright, now let us have another game. Our game is entitled Fraction Puzzler Challenge. So, can you all listen? So we'll read the mechanics. Each group will be given a puzzle card, and each of the puzzle consists of problems that needs to be solved. So here is an example of the puzzle card. However, they must perform a quick physical activity like jumping jacks before they can begin solving a puzzle. So this game will be played with the same group that we had earlier. So group 1, group 2, group 3, and then group 4. Now class, I will be going to give you this puzzle card. Here's your puzzle card. Now class, here's the twist. Each puzzle card contains of puzzles or problems that needs to be solved. However, class, before you can begin solving the problem, you must perform a quick physical activity first, like for example, jumping jacks before you can begin solving a puzzle. The group that will complete the challenge faster and answer the problem correctly will be our winner. I want you all to stand up. Stand up, please. Kindly go to your group. Now let us have this example problem. Can you all read the problem?
Marvin has 3/4 yard of material. He uses 1/4 to cover a chair. How much yard is he left with?
So again, as I
How many class of Katie does she have left? 1/4.
1/4. Are their answer correct?
Yes.
Very good. So, who got perfect score? All of the groups, right?
Yes.
But the group 1 finished the challenge faster and answered correctly. So, group 1, can you stand up? And let us give them 5 big claps. And another 3 claps for the rest of the group. Alright, so class, what do we call fractions that have the same denominator?
Singular fraction.
How to add singular fraction? Very good. How about the subtracting singular fractions?
Subtract the numerator and copy the denominator.
Very good, class. It seems that we have truly understand our topic. So kindly get one more sheet of paper and answer this activity. It's harvest season. Help the farmers harvest the crops by choosing the letter of the correct answer. Show your solutions on the spaces provided. If no solutions, that will be wrong. Kindly copy and answer. For number 2, for number 3, for number 4, and for number 5. You will be given 2 minutes to answer. Are you all done?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, let's change your papers and let us check. For number 1, the answer is letter
A.
For number 2, the answer is letter
B.
For number 3, the answer is letter B. For number 4, the answer is letter
A.
And lastly, for number 5, the answer is letter
A.
So kindly pass your papers. Alright, upon seeing your scores, it seems that some of your classmates have low scores. Maybe they misunderstood what is being asked. So for that, let us have an additional activity. Kindly get one more sheet of paper and answer the following. Direction, show the answer in the simplest form. In A, find the sum, and for B, find the difference. Are you all done?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, kindly pass your papers. Alright, so for your assignment, kindly copy it in your assignment notebook. Direction, find the missing fraction. Are you all done?